and welcome back to another video at my YouTube channel and blog. Today I have a Simon Says stamp haul to share with you, but first I wanted to give you an update on my Bible journaling journey. I have worked on a couple of entries, but I'm not quite ready to share them yet. Different techniques to doing Bible journaling than card making, so I'm still kind of working on some different things, and I should be ready to share some stuff soon on that. So I just wanted to give that little update. And so now let me open this up and we will get started on this haul video. Got lots of different things. First, let's start with this is Lawn Cuts by Fawn, Grassy Hillside Borders. I wanted this last year and it kept being sold out, and so I checked on it when I was ordering some other stuff and it was in stock, so yay, I finally got my Grassy Hillside Borders. Okay, I got some Simon Says Stamp embossing powder in rose gold. I thought this would be really pretty for Valentine's cards. Whimsy Stamps, BIRDIE Selfie. I just thought this was adorable. Couldn't resist. Very cute. It's a red rubber stamp mounted on foam. So we'll play with them. And a stencil. I've been wanting this sun ray stencil. I've seen Radiating Rays by My Favorite Things, what it's called. I've seen a lot of awesome stuff done with this, so it was out of stock for a long time last year, so I finally got it. And then I love my puppy dog and puppy dog things, and so I just couldn't resist getting this cute stencil with all these different size puppy paws. Let's see, it's called PAWS Background. Oh, and I thought these were just pretty. These Scalloped Hearts, LACY heart stackables. And the biggest one's a good size. It's like 4 1/4 by 4. So it's a good size heart. They'll take up pretty much the front of your card. So looking forward to using that with some Valentine's stuff. Oh, and the How You Been. I wanted this last year too, and it kept being sold out, especially in the fall whenever they came out with the candy corn and stuff. So this set sold out a lot. So I was happy to be able to get this and the Valentine's add-on for this. So the sentiments are: how you been? Thanks for being sweet. Been meaning to say. We got happy birthday, spring, Easter. We got a hello, a little exclamation point, heart, and all a solid heart and an outline heart, and all these cute little faces to put on the beans. Jelly beans, you're sweet too. A little heart. That's gonna be cute. Let's see. Oh, here's our take $5 off your next order with code PST555. And here is the Valentine's add-on for the How You Been. This is conversion heart add-on. So you can see that those will go right inside the little mason jar. And you can put all these cute little sayings on your hearts to have conversation hearts. So those will be cute. Got another Whimsy stamp. Best Buds. I just thought this was really adorable, and again, it's got a dog in it, so can't resist the dog stuff. Okay, and then of course I've been building my collection of Simon Says Stamp inks because I love their inks. I got High Dive and Watermelon to add to my collection. And then I got the set of the Winter Warmth set of Suzy Platamora's watercolor images. The cold never bothered me anyway. Hot chocolate is like a hug from the inside. You light my fire. It's cuddle weather. Take time to chill. Kindness is like beautifies all that it covers. Chilly weather is better together. Sweaters are just blankets you can wear. Warm winter wishes. Let it snow. Baby, it's cold outside. Isn't that the truth? If kisses were snowflakes, I'd send you a blizzard. You could do this for Valentine's too. That would be cute. So I believe that is it. Yep, that is my Simon Says stamp haul for today. I've got more things that that are coming. Simon Says has a Valentine's kit, and I have ordered that, and I think that that will be arriving soon. So this is my haul for today. I will have everything listed in the video description and over on my blog if there's anything you're interested in. I'll have all that information for you. Till next time.